I'm just doing my height. So what I need to do, that's my height, so I come down from that line all the way around slightly. Home and homes, mate. That's how easy tiling is, I tell you, if you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing. I've still got to patch that. I don't need to waterproof any higher. I've got to patch that yet, but either today or tomorrow when I get to do that wall. No biggie. Okay, we'll see you soon. My next step is I've got to mix up some glue and I'll get started. See you soon. How you doing? It's Chriso. We're shooting up another wall. Another bathroom. Into it. I'm using a 15mm notchy just to get over my my glue that's protruding a little or sticking out. You don't bring me flowers anymore. You can't always be plumb. Like, this is pretty good. This bathroom's pretty good. Sometimes your walls are out of tad, but the biggest key is flatness. Your biggest key, people, is flatness. And that is another, people love to see it, that your niche goes through a tile line. It won't happen here because I'm using a 6x6, but if I was using a 6x3, it would be in a tile line. Here's the owner, Peter, his name is.
Hi.
The owners, they love taking their progress shots and that sort of thing. Their excitement builds because they're getting a new bathroom. Sometimes people have been waiting a long time, so it all gets exciting. They all wait patiently for Chriso to turn up, because sometimes he can be held up doing other jobs. A big thing to learn too, DIYers, is try and have your glue the same all the time. That's a must. Because then you're laying each tile the same when your glue's the same. If you dig what I mean. Alright, I'll clip them off and we'll go up to the next one.